At Conwy Employment Hub, we work together with local businesses to connect you with employment opportunities, such as those with Hickory's.
Hickory Smokehouse in Rows-on-Sea has been coaching, developing and training hospitality stars for over 10 years. We look after our team and are passionate about promoting hospitality as a top career choice. Whether it's a seasoned chef, manager and server, or an eager newbie looking for a first step on the ladder, it's about passion and personality over everything else. Everything we do at Hickory's is fueled by our desire to deliver the best, most authentic guest experience. And we like to give back too, to the local community and our team. We think looking after our team and our community is every bit as important as looking after our guests. With industry-leading training through our Hickory's Academy to epic enrichment and progression opportunities, we invest as much in our people as we do our food, brand and overall guest experience.
For job opportunities with Hickory's and other employers in Conwy, message us today or go to www.conwy.gov.uk/Conwy Employment Hub and fill in the form.